The journey starts right now. I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know how crazy things are gonna get, but let's just get right to it.
Alright, this is our first time drinking in an airport. This shit smells crazy.
I'm also dead tired. I literally did not sleep. Our flight's at 9 a.m. I think it is 36 right now. Running off no sleep is gonna be rough. I got a big thing of melatonin gummies, so we're gonna try and make this work, but let's just go. Oh my god, this is gonna be so hype. Day one of the Japan Diaries starts right now. Oh shit. Alright, we're at the airport right now. We're waiting for everyone to pull up. Right now it's just me and my brother Kieran. It's 6:30 in the morning, top of the morning. This is my brother Kieran. Rumor has it, if you open a bottle of alcohol, he appears in the room a few seconds later like a genie from a bottle. In good Indian fashion, we're here 3 hours before the flight is leaving, but this time we're getting a bit of drinks before. So when everyone's here though, I'm sure we're all gonna get crazy. Alright, this is our first time drinking in an airport. This shit smells crazy. It looks like Mountain Dew, but... Okay. Okay. That at 6:43 in the morning is kind of crazy, but...
Sweeter mimosas, but...
Yeah. No. The ones we had in Vegas, that was like orange juice. This is not no orange juice.
This is like flavored champagne.
That is the way to put it. All right, we finished our mimosas and we're definitely feeling it a bit, but we're out here. We're about to wait. One of our friends is about to come through security, and he's gonna be the first one to join us. So, let's see. There he is in the red, dude. This is Connor. Yes, he is dyslexic. This is his first time leaving the country, his second time on an airplane, and he was that kid in high school that used to play with his food after lunch. Dude, say hello to the Japan vlog.
What's up, vlog? My pants almost fell down during that TSA check.
This is Connor. He's dyslexic.
Yeah. Were you nervous, man?
Yeah, first time.
Dog?
No, I saw you in the machine, bro. You was bending your hands and shit, bro.
I was worried my pants were gonna fall off, dude.
Oh my god.
Dude, the dog started sniffing me at the front of TSA, bro.
Dog, and you're white too. That's crazy. Alright, I got about the weirdest meal of all time. Connor got an actual meal when he got a nice sandwich there. Kieran is not here, but that is what he got. But we are definitely about to feast because the flight leaves in like an hour and a half now, 2 hours, and then it's complete go time. Alright, we finishing up our food. Honestly, Connor, rate it out of 10.
6 out of 10.
6 out of 10. I like my fries. I didn't mind the cookie was kind of ass.
Solid 7. Honestly, can't complain.
Yeah, I think for airport food, you gotta take what you get, right? I don't think it's that bad for airport food at all. Alright, we're about to go link up with our other group mates. This is it. It feels like we're in like a teen movie and we're like meeting up with our friends for a vacation. But this is it, the final hurdle till we take off. What's going on? This is Arjun. On the second day of our trip, we're going to Universal, except he is not, because he's a little bitch that's scared of roller coasters. This is the documentation. This is about to be crazy. Yo, we outside right now. We sitting next to each other.
That's all premium.
Yeah, we in premium right now. Kieran somewhere up there right now. Connor and Raj in the back there somewhere. We gonna explain right now why we in these seats right now, and that answer is not because we are rich. Okay, so we fly in this thing called standby, and long story short, flying standby means that you get the seats on the plane that no one else takes. So if there's an open seat in premium economy, first class, you can get that by flying standby, except the catch is, if there is no open seats, you're going to be sitting there all day at the airport trying to get on the plane. Yeah, we about to take off here. It's about to be a 14-hour journey, and we're definitely going to get drunk as shit on this flight. about to pull up to Rajan and Connor. Dude, where's Rajan? What are you watching? Oh, alright. That's respectable. Yo, we're over there if you're trying to pull up. Dude, what are you watching?
This is Rajan. He is the smoothest talker on the planet, and not in the way you think.
It's called A Haunting in Venice. It's like
Dude, nah, this is some movie. This is some like airplane movie shit, bro.
No, deadass.
We got our meals here. This isn't looking too bad. We about to land. I think Kieran won the award for getting the most fucked up. Yeah, like he is Jordan Belfort right now on this plane. But we're about to land. We're about to post up, and then we gotta wait a little bit for the reinforcements to come. So I think we're all about to go catch up with him after this. So we'll see you. We just landed, but we still got to go through customs and all that bullshit, but this is where the fun begins, man. Here.
Look at this place, man. It's beautiful.
Nah, we are outside right now. I know, bro. Dude, we are outside. Dude, we got these sausages and eggs for breakfast. But nah, lactose intolerant again can't be eating eggs. There's also some yogurt I got. I couldn't get that eat that either. Alright, we here now. We out now. We got our bags out too now. Nah, Connor, how was your first international travel?
Pretty fire. I mean, it was very quick. I feel like the flight went without a hitch. We got here early. We also went through customs very fast, like apparently a lot faster than usual.
Dude, nah, this has been the peak, bro.
You couldn't ask for a better flight. That's all I gotta say.
Dude, you even took a shot.
Yeah, dude. They got Tito's little Tito shooter.
Alright, we just ordered our first meal at this place. They already got a One Piece collab too, but Connor's damn near crying, bro. He could not order that shit. He was talking so slow. He was pointing like this.
Should have used the translator apps.
Shoulda, coulda, woulda.
That tastes like fucking toothpaste.
Bro, me and Connor got pork cutlet sandwiches over here. What do you get? You got the cheeseburger?
I got the.
You got the Wagyu, right?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Cheeseburgers.
You got some green shit too.
The green
some
shit.
green. Oh, you got some onion rings
Onion
too.
rings.
Oh, Rajan just got his meal too.
I see what this is the first rub of Japan.
Here we go. Connor and I are about to go play what you call a gotcha game. Essentially, just a scam. But you got to see it first. Yeah. Okay, so here's the vending machines. As you can see, we got a lot more stuff going on, but they got vending machines for everything. But this is a gotcha game. You enter in an amount, and then you get some random shit. It's like that arcade stuff, except it's a lot more popular here. Yeah, you see, so this is like 100 yen here, which is like, I think like 70 cents or something. It'll be like $5 for one in the US. They also got an observation deck here, so we're about to go check that out. All right, Connor said I got to show you guys this. Look at it. They got like a street area over here too. We gotta check it out. That's the Nah, I wish I brought my mic. I forgot my mic in my bag, but here's the street area. This is they got a car going around. That is so sick. Oh my god. All right, here it is. So this is just an observation deck of the airport, but this is still very sick. I feel like this is crazy that this is all in the airport. Oh, look at these Pokeballs. Yeah, nah, Newark ain't treating us with this. Dude, what we got going on over here? Look at this. This is like literally $1.35, bro. Dude, that is like literally like 60 cents, bro. I don't know what we're surrounded by right now. Nah, this is it. We only got one more member left.
This is Joe Feeney, and yeah, he's basically just Ice Bear from We Bear Bears.
I was just
Only one.
taking it all in, bro. I was letting the water hit my asshole.
Yo, I'm recording. What the fuck, dude? Hey, this is Joe Feeney. He just tried a bidet for the first time. That's crazy.
Did you say water in my eye?
Dude, this is it. Now, this is the final.
This is Akash. He came second in our class, and he actually lost his last tennis match at our high school. He's also a complete airhead who doesn't know left from right, and he probably didn't even know which country in Asia we were going to.
This is the problem maker though. Interpol's on his ass already, bro.
Customs already found some problems. Yeah, it's just easier.
Now we got the gang fully here. This is it. This is the crew. All right, let's go. Connor's dumbass. Holy fuck. We're about to take the bullet train and we're all a little sauced. This is Akash. He's no sauce.
I'm not
Akash is the one who can't handle his alcohol at all.
Dude, I can handle my alcohol. Fucking turned up, bro. Fucking turned up right now, man.
Dude, we're turned up on the bullet train though, so it's all good. We're not on the bullet train yet.
We're about to get on the bullet train. We're about to drink our IPAs on the bullet train.
Track 24. Track 24.
We got a
Track 24, right?
We got a cabin just for our cigarettes on the bullet train. Let's see how it goes.
I don't know what he's talking about cigarettes. We don't do cigarettes. I don't know. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Dude, look at it. We got Baskin Robbins. That's Baskin Robbins, not Ben & Jerry's, you dumb fuck. We on the bullet train right now.
We're distraught. Fucked up.
Dude, it took so long. Train's fast as hell though. You can't see, but I promise it is. We got the boys here though. How was your bullet train experience, Connor?
Shit was fire, bro.
Nah, but it's nice to be off that, but this walk is about it.
Dude, I'm not gonna lie, the bullet train was bro. They got like 8 bathrooms on every
Yeah.
car. It's like the seats reclined good. They got space for the bags.
I'm so tired.
Conductors didn't even check our tickets. Like, oh my god, bro. Like, this is wonderful.
Dude, there's so many noises though. Like, what the fuck is going on right
That's what I'm
now?
saying, bro. Sounds like I'm about to hear Bluebird from the article.
Yeah. All right, vlog. We just got to the place.
He's gonna cut everything before.
Yeah. No, I wasn't recording. Akash, what's your impressions on this establishment? Dude, nah. We are outside. Look at what we on right now, bro. This is like, we are outside right now. We got Red Robin Hood over here. Yo.
Earthquake occurs. Take cover under here, bro.
What?
Who's been under here?
What?
Joe Beatty's not been under here.
Nah, we outside right now. This is the 7-Eleven. This is the 7-Eleven. They type got everything you would want here. Alright, we just copped our goods. The rest of the gang is in the 7-Eleven still. But like we were saying, the vending machines are a must, bro. We gotta see what we got here. Okay, this might be the same prices as inside there. And the same selection, but that's cool. Dude, I'm just gonna put in value. I have no idea how much I have. US currency. Oh, you see how that shit lit up? You see how that
160.
shit- Oh, wait. Look. I guess we get a nice seat.
Show them what you
All right,
got. Show 'em
we
what
got it. I don't know what it is. And with that being said, that's the end of day 2. Universal tomorrow. Let's see you then.